Okay, so we have got SDC practice day today. We got to get the RX8 loaded onto this trailer and head down, take some tyres with us, but it's going to be quite good. I think it used to be the old BDC layout or something like that, I don't know, but I'm not going to film it going down, we're just going to go straight into SDC layout. Fucking hard, like. It's hard. I couldn't initiate there. I clutch kicked it, but it wouldn't do it. Jesus. I can. It's all tyre smoke though. It's pretty bad though. But I just kind of, I had to initiate over there because it just wouldn't do it. I didn't nail long enough straight, not enough speed. Because I was only at 5,000 when I tried to kick it, but I was in second. But I need that kind of, I need to kick it in first and then go second because the ratio is so high. See what like. Ready? Right. Well, we are at Driftland today, so we're doing like the BDC but layout, but it's going to be on the SDC next weekend, so I'm just trying out the RX8. The BMW's getting some work done, so check front pressures, because every time I go around the pond again, it just fucking snaps. So don't know if it's front tire pressure or what, but I'll just check. I'll maybe lower the rear as well, just 5 psi, see what that does. Okay, so what I did was I've adjusted the tracking because my front left was towing out slightly. I don't know if it's because I hit the curb, well, went over the curb at full angle, and I've lowered the tyre pressures in the front, and we'll see how it goes. I think I need to lower the rear, but I have to clutch kick it to get around that bit quite a lot, so see what like. Time flies when you're having fun with a wankle. See if I was... idea for that bang was.
I think I bought it hopefully.
Eh?
I think I bought it hopefully. Oh, the back bumper.
Oh, is that what it is?
It's fine.
Fit?
It's on it.
Where? We'll try and get it onto ours. See if we can pass it over onto ours.
Oh, it's funny as fuck. Oh no!
No! Cheers!
There we go.
Right, good. Right.
That worked surprisingly well.
How did that come off, right?
Fuck knows. It's the left when we dropped off the edge.
Oh, must have been. Just joking. How did it come off, like? Fit? Fuck, mate!